MECHA's pairing pin. In today's video, we will show you what a pairing pin is for and how to set it. Unlike the C2 controller, the C1 controller can control only one MECHA rotator at a time. However, two C1 controllers can be paired and assembled into a dual-axis combo (DAC) configuration to control two axes, just like the C2 controller. Upon startup, the vertical MECHA in a MECHA DAC automatically pairs with the horizontal MECHA in the same DAC if they were previously paired using the ZLM or ZLM2 method. In this simple scenario, the two MECHA units reliably pair whenever the DAC is powered on, unless other similar MECHA units are in operation. Imagine the vertical MECHA in one DAC being powered on first, and then the horizontal MECHA in the second DAC. Assuming the pairing method used is ZLM or ZLM2 and the units are connected to the same network or hotspot, the vertical MECHA in the first DAC will pair with the horizontal MECHA in the second DAC. This is not the desired outcome. To prevent cross-pairing of devices, a pairing pin is recommended. Once a pairing pin is set on the horizontal MECHA, the same pin is automatically set on the vertical MECHA, and the two units will reliably connect thereafter. Whenever this DAC is powered on, its vertical MECHA unit will search for and pair with a MECHA unit that has an identical pin set. How to set a pairing pin. Power on only one DAC at a time and access its configuration page. When connecting to the Wi-Fi network of a MECHA DAC, you are actually connecting to the horizontal MECHA. Therefore, this is the configuration page of the horizontal MECHA. The pairing pin must be a 4-digit number. Enter it in the pairing pin field. Additionally, you can change the name of the MECHA's Wi-Fi network. By default, it is MECHA-H for the horizontal MECHA and MECHA-V for the vertical MECHA. For example, if you rename MECHA-H to MECHA-ABC, keeping the MECHA-H, the MECHA-V will be automatically renamed to MECHA-V-ABC, as the two MECHA units are paired. Then, click the Apply button. The pairing pin can also be set before pairing the MECHA units. In that case, it must be set on each MECHA unit. Thank you for watching.